Good morning, Isla and Quincy. It's Grandma, and I'm just waking up, but I thought today we could do a rhyme day. I'm sitting here thinking, what can I do? What kind of rhymes? But then I remembered, let's rhyme with numbers. 1, 2. Can you find your shoe? 3, 4. Do you see your door? 5, 6. Do you have any pretzel sticks? 7, 8. Make sure your duckies are all straight. 9, 10. That's the end. All right, Quincy and Isla, I hope you liked your little rhyme time with Grandma. Love you and talk to you later.